Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm gonna be showing you the eyelashes I got from Amazon and Aliexpress. They're really affordable and they're 25 ml. They're really long. So so this is how the package come like. And it's double inside. Let me show you. Look at this right here. Can you see that this is really long? Like it's like double inside. Oof. This is my first time wearing a 25 ml. I'm gonna try it on. This is really long. Oh, I'm excited to see how this is gonna look like on me. Wow, these are too much. Look at it. I'm gonna put the other one on. Extra. You can't really tell on the camera how extra it is, but when I look in the mirror, it's extra. Like, whoa. This is it. Wow. This is the Amazon one. Okay. I'm gonna try the Aliexpress one. It came like this. So, story time for story time. I thought this was gonna be a magnetic. I don't know if that's how you say it, but basically I thought I was not gonna use glue. you know, the one that it catch onto your eyes. Like, I thought I was not gonna need glue. It will automatically be on, but it's not. It comes with this. I should have opened this package first. It calls the eyelashes and the eyeliner. Let me show you the eyeliner. This is how the eyelash look. There we go. So basically, it's right here. It's not on the actual eyelash. It's not on the actual eyelash, which I'm disappointed because I wanted something quick and easy. I'm gonna have to buy them because I wanna try that one so bad. But I guess it's helpful because look, that's dope. I could wear this on the regular basis. It's not that extra. This is it. This look like my real natural eyelash. Simple. That's gonna be it for this video. Hope you find these eyelashes useful. Don't forget to like my video, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.